Minar and students, hope you are all doing good. In last session, we had saw about the introduction of microorganisms. Like microscope, we had discussed about microorganisms and we had discussed about the special characteristic of virus. And this session, we are going to see about the remaining microorganisms. Let's start. Next is bacteria. Bacteria is a common organism that is in the environment. That is, most of the microorganisms present in the environment is bacteria. Even inside us, even inside our body, inside our nose, in the teeth, there are bacteria are there. That are, some are friendly bacteria and some are inside the stomach also. Stomach, one bacteria is there. That bacteria name is Enterobacter. This Enterobacter, it is there in the stomach. Understand? That intestine. Understand? So when this Enterobacter, it is there in stomach, but once it come outside, it starts affecting. Till it is in stomach, it is good, but once it comes outside, when we are, you can see that houseflies sitting here and there, and if they are sitting on the food, what will happen? They will infect this type of bacteria, very bad infecting pathogens. Pathogens means this is causing, germs are called pathogens. Understand? So bacteria is most common microorganisms found everywhere in environment, and this can be seen by the microscope, and it is reproduced by binary fission. Next is fungi. Fungi grows in moist area. Moist area, wherever the moisture is there, you can see the fungi. For example, bread. When the bread is older, you can see a green color layer on that. That is fungi. And another one thing, sometime in the coconut, spoiled food, you can see a white layer. That is fungi. And one more thing, I will give the example. After rain, you can see that trunk of the plant, trunk of the tree, they are having white color mushrooms. That is also fungi. Okay, this is about fungi. And next is that algae. Algae means, algae first they were categorized under plants because they are green in color. But later on, प्लांट के लिए कैरेक्टर्स होता है, ऑटोट्रोप्स होता है, दे प्रिपेयर देयर ओन फूड, दे हैव बेसिक पार्ट्स, स्टेम, लीफ एंड रूट. इसमें एक पॉइंट algae के पास नहीं है. विच पॉइंट? दैट algae is not having root. Understand? Because of that characteristic, they had put in algae in the microorganisms. Understood? And this algae you can see in that stagnant, wherever the water content is more, like lake, water bodies, pond. Understand? This type of areas you can see the algae, and it is used as a food also. And next is China grass, what we are eating, jelly, that is made from algae. Understood? And next is protozoa. Protozoa is also called as first animal cell. Why it is called as first animal cell? Because this cell has a similar structure of animal cell. That's why they are called as, protozoa is called as animal cell. They are having the cell membrane, all the cell materials that animals is having, the same cell they are having. And another one thing, protozoa, they are present in the zoa, that is present in the stagnant water. And for example, amoeba. Amoeba, they causes amoebiosis. Amoebiosis is a type of dysentery. The traveler dysentery they are called. Means if a person is traveling here and there, different types of water, different kind of water they will be drinking. Sometimes the water here is taste different. Water in the Ahmedabad or water in the Surat, it might taste different. Understood? So this amoebiosis affect that type of traveling during the traveling and causes dysentery. That's why when we travel some new places, after coming back or going there, we are feeling uneasy. Understand? Might be because of the food, might be because of this water. Understand? The dysentery caused by the amoeba is called as amoebiosis. Understood, students? Next we are going to see about the usefulness of microorganisms. Let's chat. Okay.